Transport and logistics providers are under constant pressure to deliver better service at a lower cost while still complying with regulations. At the same time, we see new devices that generate large amounts of data and that can overwhelm an organization. We can use this data to make better decisions using artificial intelligence. It can help you make decisions at 3 levels. At a strategic level, we are looking at things like replacing assets, locating facilities, or taking on new contracts. At the tactical level, we are planning what to do the next day or the week ahead. And finally, at the operational level, we are making decisions in real time on what to do now. With previous technology, you could only really solve the tactical planning problem. But at Opturion, we can address all these problems in a timely and cost-effective way. So if your organization is under competitive pressure, or you have large amounts of data that you can make better use of, then please come and talk to us, because in the age of big data, we can help you make sense of it all.